Hey, welcome to another Python for Beginners tutorial. In this video we're going to go over how to print hello world. This is the most common way to start programming in a language. It's going to allow you to understand how to print and how to run a Python program. Now, there are two ways to run a Python program. The first is just in your terminal. The second is in a text editor, which we'll touch on later. To start Python in your terminal, type Python and press enter. Now, you should see both a version number and a prompt. If you don't see either of those, you don't have Python installed. If you don't have Python installed, you're more than welcome to go back and watch the first video in the series, How to Install Python, which will be in the description down below. From here, simply type print hello world as you see on screen, then you should be able to see hello world printed just below. We're now going to try printing hello world in a text editor. For this series we'll be using PyCharm. If you haven't got a text editor downloaded on your computer, I would suggest downloading PyCharm so you can follow the series along. I'll put a link to the download in the description down below. After downloading, it's a pretty simple installation process. Okay, so once you've finished downloading, you should see a screen like this. Click on Create New Project. This is going to show you the directory in which your project will be saved. The part you see highlighted here is going to be the name of your project. I'm going to rename this project to Hello World PyCharm and press Create. What this is going to do now is create a Python environment for your Python programs to run in. After that's finished, you should see a screen that looks similar to this. You should see that a folder has been created with the name of your project, so in our case, Hello World PyCharm. We're going to right click on that folder and you should see a list of options. Hover over New and then press Python File. Here you can type the name of your Python file. We're going to call ours Hello World. From here it's similar to what we did in the terminal. Type print Hello World as on screen. Then in the PyCharm menu find the Run option and click Run. Then some options will appear and you need to click on the name of your file to run that file. And you should now see Hello World printed in the Python terminal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video what you thought.